everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which you might be, I'm not sure. The intro is changing up. My name is Aisha and welcome back to another episode of Wig Wednesday. Last Wig Wednesday I did a review on this girly right here and she is still holding strong. Last Wig Wednesday was like a month ago. I'm so sorry. It's not even Wednesday anymore. This is gonna be more like Wig Thursday or maybe even Wig Friday, hopefully Wig Thursday. But I've just been so busy the past couple weeks. I was in Tennessee with my boyfriend and his family and it was just a lot going on. So this video was a little bit late. I'm so sorry, but I just want to appreciate all of my new subscribers and everybody who's been subscribing. I want to say thank you. That was a really bad heart. That wasn't even a heart. Thank you. But if there are any other videos that you guys want to see from me, like comment them down below. Let me know. I've been getting a couple of requests and stuff, so I just want to do a little bit more with the channel than just these wig videos because I don't know. I just don't want to get stuck in a little box. Like I can do other stuff, like I also have a channel with my boyfriend if you guys are interested in that, so you can go check that out. I'll tag it somewhere or put it in the description. But nonetheless, we are going to go get right into this video as per usual. Today's wig is from Outre and this is a part of their Airtied collection, which I have never heard of before. Now that I'm looking at it, I see that it literally says human hair blend, which I was not aware of, so that's making me a little excited. Usually human hair blends are a blend of human hair and synthetic, but once again, today's wig is from Outre and this is a part of their Airtied human hair blend collection. I got her in the style HHB-Glam Waves and she is 28 inches and I got her in the color Golden Swirl, but as usual, you already know the deal. She also comes in other colors such as 1, 1B, 2, so on and so forth. Like this wig comes in a bunch of colors. So this is what the box looks like as I'm opening her, and she came with this little card as they all do. This wig is very pretty. I kind of want to put it in a side part, but like I like this little up style, but I think for the sake of this video I'm just gonna do it in a regular is this the, I guess this is this, the color that I wanted this in was not available. I originally wanted it in this like chocolate caramel color and I think I got this in Golden Swirl, so she's more blonde. But I think what I was thinking is I haven't done blonde in a while, so I was mostly okay with that. So let's just take her out. Oh, okay, so this is what she looks like out of the packaging. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of this color. Like, it's not ugly. Like, this is a beautiful color. It's just, I think the mood that I'm in right now, the mood that I was in when I chose this is different than the mood that I'm in right now. But the lace on here is very, like, literally you can still see me. Like, look at that. Look how transparent that lace is. Okay, I'll try. She also comes with like a little bit of baby hairs if you're a fan of those. Me personally, I'm not. So I'm gonna slip this off and slip her on and then show you guys what she's looking like. Okay, right off the bat, this is what she's looking like. It's giving very much like, what's her name? Like Pamela Anderson. Like just this super big blonde like bombshell vibe. I actually like it. I changed my mind. I didn't think I was gonna like this at first, but I actually really like it. I still of course have the lace on, so I need to take that off. This would be super beautiful though, like in a really dark color, but like the lace is super cute. This is like a free part, so you can part this literally whichever way. I have a wig cap on under this, so ignore that. That's why you can see that. But I will say though, only downside that I'm seeing right now is she's getting a little bit tangled. So I think what I'm gonna do, I have like a thermal brush. I think I may or may not, I'm kind of lazy right now. But they're saying this is a human hair blend. It does feel softer than usual. Outre synthetic wigs are actually very soft, but this does feel a little bit softer than usual. But I'm about to cut the lace off and like put a little bit of foundation on the cap and just see what we're working with. I usually cut this part out because y'all are just here to see wig. Y'all don't need to see me put it on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and the wig looks much better now. She's super long, 28 inches, but only thing I didn't really like about this one was one, the color. The color is beautiful. It's just not the vibe that I want right now. So one, the color. Two, it was a lot of curl, it was a lot of body. The picture really, like, this picture underestimates the amount of body and curl that this wig had. Like, y'all saw that. She's also not glued down. Y'all know all my videos are glueless friendly, but it's very soft. I have like a thermal brush, so I use the thermal brush to kind of brush through and loosen up just all those curls that this had. And then I took some of this Super Shine serum oil and I just kind of ran my fingers through. But she's really soft. It's giving like Regina George. Like, I'm going to go see Mean Girls the musical on Saturday, and I will be wearing this wig. Like, I don't know, it's just really vibey. But she's super cute. Like, I think I would like it better if it were in a different color, of course, but regardless of that, like, it's still cute to me. And here is a little lace check. I kind of cut the lace too much. Like I said, nobody's gonna see that anyway. If you're somebody who glues your wigs down though, this is a good wig to do so, because it's just a good wig to do so, but nobody's gonna see all that. Yeah, this is her. They just make her see the realest. Why now you treat a lady how you treat a real man? Cause Billie Jean was never ever devil real. They give in. They got a bad, but they just make her see the realest. Why now you treat your mama how you treat a real man? Billie Jean was never ever devil real. Yeah guys, as usual, thank you guys for watching, and if you have any video ideas, just let me know and I will make sure to get them done. I want to be way more productive on this channel this year, so just let me know what you guys want to see and I'll do my best to do so. But bye.